Hi, welcome to Chisholm Prism. My name is Taylor Chisholm, and today in this video, I'm bringing you a living room, apartment, decor update video. So there's a couple of things that I want to do in here and a couple of things that I've done and I haven't filmed or made a video in a while. I'm constantly moving things around in this space and adding to it. Again, my style is not for everyone. It's very maximal, very colorful, very out there. Some of my friends actually reference it as the Pee Wee Herman Playhouse, which I think is pretty funny, but this is what I have going on. Let me show you guys around real quick. So I have updated a few things on the couch area, like got some new pillow cushions. I even put up this new mirror. It was given to me from my mom. She just moved out of her place and I helped her find a new place, but she didn't need this anymore. And it actually came from my great grandma, which is really special to have in the home, and actually very lightweight. Surprisingly, it does not weigh a ton. So that's the new mirror added. I also fixed these lampshades, so I coated it in like a paper. Simple project with like Mod Podge. And I think that helped kind of tie those two in because before they did not match at all. The other side of the room is pretty much the same. Just moved a couple pillows around. I added a new plant over there in that corner, which this room is actually a little bit darker than most of the other spaces in the house, so I don't like to keep real plants. Lastly, in this space, I've added this chocolate bar right here. So I actually have a reel up in my channel recently of me crafting the bar, and I thought it just added a really fun element to this space. So I gotta give you an update on this plant here in the corner. Don't be fooled, there's actually another fake plant in front of it, but the real one is over here. It's sad, it's dying, and I'm not a plant expert. I'm not claiming to be. Hey, I tried, but it really does have a bug on it that I could not get rid of. I tried to use the green lace insects to eat the bug that was on this plant. Apparently, from the video that I posted about releasing those bugs, yeah, I can't fix it. It's dying, and I tried a bunch of different pesticides too. It just doesn't work. So I have this fake plant that I'm gonna put in that pot when it finally passes. But today I actually want to focus on this behind me. So my fireplace situation, it could use a little more life. Of course, I love color. This whole channel, Maximalist. I love pushing the elements and design, and this is a little more bland for the rooms, but I have an idea. We're gonna edit the TV frame and the fireplace. Okay, stay with me now. Don't go anywhere, stay with me. I have a vision. First things first, the fireplace. I love peel and stick tiles. These are renter friendly. I put them in my kitchen as well to create a nice backsplash, but I thought maybe the brick is nice, okay? Don't get me wrong, I love character in old buildings, but it's a little lackluster for the room, and I want it to be a little darker to match this like bottom section a little bit. So I got these, and we're gonna stack them on the fireplace. Okay, so it's on the fireplace. I will say the most frustrating thing is that I'm literally just missing 2 pieces. I just need 2 pieces. So it's not gonna be complete today. I'm gonna have to order 1 more pack and then I'll just have extras, I guess, but that's just how the cookie crumbles. I tried to calculate the best that I could, and this is where we ended up. So that's fine. I do enjoy the facade, and for the price, it looks luxurious. I'm liking it. Cool, so once I get those final pieces, it will be. But next and final boss of today, this framed TV. video here. Thanks y'all for tuning in to this living room decor update. Until next time, bye.